I just kind of woke up one day and noticed that my hair had gotten quite a bit thinner. It happens a little by little, and you don't even notice it, and pretty soon, it's like, where did all my hair go? So that's when I decided to do something about it. My hair dresser at the time recommended Dr. Shefu, and I came and we talked, and I did some research, and I thought they would do a good job. Sometimes, there's a overpromise and underdeliver in terms of what you can expect, and I think they shot straight with me and over-delivered, under-promised and over-delivered, so I was happy with the results. The doctor and the technicians that I worked with and the way they treat, they just couldn't have been nicer. They were just very courteous, very, always interested in how I'm feeling, and I was really very happy with the neograft procedure that I got. I didn't have any huge expectations that, people would suddenly like me or any more or less, or, I'd get new job offers, or I'd suddenly play sports better. It was just kind of wanting to, retain as much of my youth for as long as possible.